Hi, lovely. You're welcome to the Voice of Igbo Wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life. In today's episode of Teaching Tuesday, our adage is Oke soro ngwere maa mmiri, ọkọ ngwere ọ ga-akọ oke. This literally means if a rat follows the lizard to the rain, when the lizard gets dry, would the rat also dry? Is a question. This proverb teaches that different people have different destinies, strengths, and nature. Just because someone else can survive a situation doesn't mean you can too. It warns against blindly copying others, especially when you don't understand their nature or capacity. Getting involved in things that do not suit you or exceed your limits, or mimicking others without thinking of the consequences for yourself. Also, deeper meaning, the lizard is cold-blooded and enjoys rain. It dries easily in the sun, while the rat, on the other hand, has fur and is prone to illness if it gets wet. Can it dry off easily? Following the lizard into the rain is foolishness for the rat. Our moral lesson in this adage is know yourself. Don't follow others blindly. Your path is not their path. Think before you act. Use wisdom in choosing your associations and actions. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and share. Bye.